Welcome to this quick guide on how to start a new design in Xdraw with a floor plan. Get started by signing into your XTNavy account and selecting Design via Xdraw from the dashboard menu. Name your design, choose a template, and select the project. Switch the toggle to Yes and hit Create Design. You'll be directed to the floor plan window, where you can upload or create a floor plan. Let's proceed with uploading a floor plan from the system. We support formats like PNG, JPG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, DWG, and DXF. Once uploaded, your floor plan will be displayed on the page. Use the Actions button to edit, rename, download as image or PDF, or delete your floor plan. Click on the file name to open the floor plan in the editor. Here's how your meeting room floor plan will look. Use the Product Images feature to add products to your floor plan, and don't forget to save your progress. Moreover, when you click on the View BOM option, you will see that the products you've added to the floor plan are visible in the BOM. Using the search option, add any other products that you don't want to display on the floor plan. With that done, proceed with your line schematics. That's all for this tutorial. For more information, please visit xtnavy.com.